Hi, we're in week 4. It's great to see everybody. I hope you're enjoying our course. We have a really fun week ahead. This week we're going to explore response to intervention, which is a strategy in which we utilize in our general education classes to provide interventions and strategies and accommodations and really try everything we can to make our students successful, hoping that we can find just that right niche that we need to incorporate to make them a successful learner within that general education class. The information for the RTI activity is actually located in our board, where you're going to see assignment 4.1, response to intervention. You're going to answer those 4 questions and simply put that into our Dropbox. A little help to guide the way are our several videos, and of course we have our textbook, which will help support you with that. The next project that we have this week is our group project, where you're going to be working together as a team, putting together the Teenage Brain group PowerPoint. So good luck with that. We're going to work on the teenage brain this week. So where you will find information for that is actually right over here on the left side of our class. You'll see where it says groups. Click on that, and then you will notice there are 3 groups. You have been assigned to one of those 3, so you're either going to play the role of a parent, a high school teacher, or a school psychologist. Once you find which group you're in, then return to the week 4 activities, where it gives you information on our web quest, telling you the step-by-step of what is needed. For an example, by Tuesday night at midnight, I need to know who the group editor is going to be. And that person will be submitted to me and also on the discussion boards, and will play the role of editor/cheerleader for the group, making sure everybody stays on task, on target, getting everything done. They will then create a PowerPoint based upon the team's information that they share, and right here is the web quest. So when you click on that, you'll notice that if you've been assigned the role of the high school teacher, these are the 2 questions you have. School psychologist needs to answer these 2 questions, and the parent of the teenager will answer those 2 questions. But if you go back to your group activity, you'll see within the group discussion board, I gave you a little insight on how to create the PowerPoint. One thing that we don't want to do when we're making a PowerPoint is making something where it's a read aloud. That is one of the most ineffective type of PowerPoints. You need to keep it focused on graphics, but when I say graphics, I don't mean cartoons. You want to make sure they're relevant, that they incorporate pictures, graphics, charts, tables, something that is directly related to the topic in which you are actually doing your research. All those words you'll see right here, all those words that you want to have on your slide, use the notes section and put that information in the notes section. When you are finished, do not forget to get a references slide at the back using APA style to share all of your resources. You'll see the cute little infographic that helps guide this process, where we talk about the research, selecting the right fonts and colors and graphics, laying that PowerPoint out like a story. Remember, you've heard the saying, a picture can tell 1,000 words. Let your pictures speak for itself. And then put everything together, not forgetting those references. So that's an important element that we do not want to forget. That information needs to be submitted by the group editor, and then everyone will get an individual grade based upon their performance and their participation this week. So if you should have any questions, as always, I am here for you. I am more than willing to help in whatever way I can. So looking forward to seeing those PowerPoints. God bless. Take care.